Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can make your phone screen stay longer. For example, when you're using your phone, it is fine, but when you keep this phone for idle, like 15 minutes or 15 seconds or 30 seconds, this screen will go off, means turn off, means a black screen will be visible. So how you can make your phone screen stay longer? You need to click on this phone settings on your phone, and usually this option is in display options. You need to search for display settings. Okay, for most of the mobiles it will be on the settings and display and brightness. So yeah, here display and brightness, and see here, if you observe, there is a option called screen timeout. So click on the screen timeout. For my mobile, my current setting is 1 minute. For most of the mobiles, for by default it will be something like 15 seconds. That's the reason very quickly your phone is getting turned off, or you can say screen won't be active, means inactive state it will go. So you can keep it to 30 seconds. 1 minute is a bit longer. For my concerns, my requirement, I kept it to 1 minute. 2 minutes will be very quick because there will be battery drain if you keep it like 2 minutes. So ideal would be something between 30 seconds to 1 minute. That is absolutely choice. Yeah, absolutely your choice. And please do let me know which of these options do you need. Means how long you want your phones to stay longer with the screen on, active on. Please do comment, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.